Good morning, PPZ3C students. Just wanted to make another video to show you guys some things that I've been getting some email questions about. First thing I've got on the screen here is the welcome post that I made yesterday, and I embedded this video here, and I asked everybody to watch the video first. I believe that most of you have done that, and if you had any questions after watching the video, you can email me here. What I'm getting the most questions about is what is the assignment and where do I submit the assignment? I thought that I had addressed that here, but clearly I'm getting too many emails. It might have been a little confusing. So this video is intended to show you guys how to submit your assignments and what you should be submitting for those assignments. You'll notice here that I asked you to watch the orientation module in the content section of the course above. Well, the content section is up here, and it's the green book, as I said. If you click on content, you'll notice that one of the first things that comes up on the left-hand side is the orientation module. Right here, it talks about navigating through D2L. There's a welcome page. This is going to show you how to navigate through, which I believe I did a little bit in my video as well. Here's a link to the assignment submissions for Dropbox. I mean, a lot of people asking, what's a Dropbox? Where do I submit this? That's what they made this for. So hopefully, if you have watched that and you still do have questions, the video that I'm currently making is going to help you out. U11 is Unit 1, Activity 1. So this is Unit 1, this is Activity 1. When you guys access this activity, you will notice that there is a bunch of tasks that it asks you to submit to your teacher. So if we scroll down, the first thing it asks you to do is to introduce yourself to the class. This has a link at the bottom that says join the discussion. That's how you know it is a discussion post. If you click on that link, it takes you to the appropriate discussion page. As soon as it loads, and you'll be able to see that there are a bunch of posts already by your classmates. When you're in this discussion area, what I'd like you to do is start a new thread and then make your post here based on whatever the U1, the discussion asks you to do. So here is what it's asking you to do. Okay, and then this is where you click to join the discussion like I just did. What do you post in the discussion? You post this information in the discussion, and they're different for the different discussions. As we scroll down further, we will see that there are different assignments that ask you to submit your work to the teacher. We're getting there. Okay, so here you go, assignment. What questions do you have? You notice that there is no discussion link right here. That's because this is not a discussion post. You notice that it says submit your chart to your teacher. So this is part of your U11 assignment. It should be included in whatever document form you like to include it in. If you scroll down further, you see there's another task and it says submit your completed chart to your teacher. That should be the second item in your Unit 1 assignment. A couple more videos giving you examples, and then here it says submit your self-assessment to your teacher for feedback. So this should also be included in your assignment 1. Here, it's just kind of a recap. It does not tell you to submit anything. So all of that work should be submitted to me, and that's where I gave you guys the helpful information. And this is just an example assignment. You do not have to do this in this format. You can do it however you'd like, but this is an example assignment for Unit 1.1, which is U11 Unit 1, Activity 1, which is what I just walked you through. So this is how I would have done it. Post in the discussion area. What am I posting? This is what I'm posting. Okay. Then part of the assignment was one of these pictures and fill it out. That's what the page was that we were just on. It gave you a link to a table. Here's the table. So I have posted these in a PDF format, which is Adobe Acrobat is the program you need to open that. It's free download. You do not have access to editing these. These were just examples. What I will do is post a Microsoft Word document of the exact same document, and then you guys will be able to edit that one if that helps you. However, I've only created these exemplars for Unit 1.1 and Unit 1.2, so U11 and U12. You do not have any of these. I did not create these for you guys for the rest of the course. These are just examples for you guys to use. So I will post those in the newsfeed. Now, if you are making a document in Google Docs, which is what I'm getting a lot of questions, here's a Google Doc. What you should do first is title it. So I'm going to title this okay, and then I would put my name associated with this. I understand that this has got your name attached to it because it's a Google Doc, but wait till you see what I do here. I'm going to save it as a Word document. You would put all of your content in there, and then if it's a Google Doc, go File, Download As. If you download it as a Microsoft Word document, you notice at the bottom of the page here it shows up as a Word document. If I show that in the folder that it's in, you'll see there it is right there. Okay, so now what I need to do is move this over here, and Unit 1. If I go back to the actual, sorry, that's content. If I go to the assignment section, you'll notice that there is a U11 assignment Dropbox. So that's where this needs to go. U11 right there. This is the assignment I created for U11. Okay, I would click on that and drag and drop this into the Dropbox. Add a file. Where is it coming from? It's coming from my computer. Okay, so there. I can find it by clicking there and go and find it, but I already have it here. I would just click, drag, and drop it in there. Then my file would be uploaded. Okay, I didn't do that because I wanted to show you one more thing that I have done. Just going to get out of here for a second. Cancel that. Doesn't like that for some reason. So if you go back to the content section, that's where you find these assignments. If you go to the home page, what you'll see is that today I have posted that Unit 1.1 and Unit 1.2 are due. So I've made a quick link to that Dropbox right here. So instead of going up to the assignments section here, that's where I just was. I clicked on the assignments and I showed you how to upload that. Instead of going there, if you wait till the day that they're due, or you're doing them on the day, you just click here. There's U11 right there. This takes you as a quick link. Just click there. It takes you right to the Dropbox. There's the exact same page we were just on. Okay, what are you going to do? You're going to add a file, okay, from your computer or wherever you've got it. Okay, and then what I would do is take that same assignment and drag and drop, and I would put it there. Okay, there you go. It shows that it's there. I'm going to add that file, and there you go. It has been loaded in there, and then you simply just click on Submit, and now your assignment has been submitted. I hope that this helps, and if you do have any more questions about assignment submissions, please do not hesitate to email me. Okay, it shows you there complete. So one submission, one file for U11 right there. Okay. All the due dates are down here as well, and it shows you when you've submitted them. You can click on that to see them as well.